Hi everyone. I hope it's visible to you all, my hand. Hello. I'll just wait for you all to join in. In the meanwhile, I'll just share the post. You guys also, if someone is there with me, please share the post. Hello everyone. Hi, I can see people now. Hi Moni, hi Sumedha, hi Rekha. I can see a lot of people now. How are you all doing? I'll just share the post for a moment. Give me a moment and then I'll be there with you. Guys, please share the post. Okay, so here we are. Hi Sonika, hi Poonam, hi Rekha, hi Alka. How are you all today? How's the Sunday going? Well, I am very excited today because of my new launch. I have been working on the sheets. They are really beautiful, I'm telling you. This time, and I have fulfilled a request of many of you. Butterflies, I keep on hearing. Mansi, please come up with butterflies na. Hi Varsha. So this time you will have ample of butterflies, like many butterflies, I am telling you. So let's get started. I hope many of you have joined in now. I can see there are quite a few people. So let's start. So here is the release. First of all, I'm showing you butterflies, and there is not one, not two, not three. There are 9 variations in butterfly sheets, and they are all very reasonably priced at 100 rupees for a set of 2 sheets. So you can imagine you are getting more than 100 butterflies. I don't know how many are there, but they are ample. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in this, just in this row. So 12 to the 24, and then this must be around in 10 or 11 again. So there are more than 300-400 butterflies in one sheet you're getting. Okay. So this is the first butterfly. This is the blue butterfly. If you can all see, both the sheets are same. And these are gorgeous. These are all hand painted butterflies. Beautiful detailing and coloring in these. Now comes the second one. It is the glass wing yellow butterfly. This is a very common butterfly which we all use in our crafting, and it is beautiful. Again, you are getting so many of them. Ample of butterflies I have provided you in one sheet. So you know it becomes total value for money. And the quality of the sheets you all are aware of. It is excellent. My sheets are very good quality. I get them printed on 300 GSM iris paper, and it's very good. Then here comes the third one. These are the green butterflies. The color is a little dull on the screen, as I can see, but in real it is quite brighter than this. I don't know if you can see how many of these are there. Very pretty butterflies. Okay. Then this is mustard butterflies. I have tried to give you as many variations and colors as possible. Again, there are so many of them in one sheet. Then these are orange butterflies. Okay, these are peach butterflies. This is my favorite. It's a very beautiful color. What is Anupma? What have you written? I'll just check on my phone also. I can't. But it's cool. Yeah, it is cool. Okay, this is the peach butterfly. Then this is the red butterfly. It is a dull red. It is not a very bright red. So it will become subtle on your projects. It's a very beautiful color. And this is again my favorite. This is the tiger butterfly. Look at these. How vibrant and beautiful are these. And last but not the least, for the butterflies, not for the sheets, this is the spotted butterfly. These are 9 butterfly sheets. I wanted to come up with 10, but then my husband told me it is enough for all the butterflies for today. For this time, leave the butterflies aside now. They are more than enough. But I think he does not understand us crafters, because we are all crazy for butterflies, as many as we have. I don't think they are enough for us. So here are the 9 patterns of butterflies which I have made for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 9 sheets. Okay. So these are for the butterflies this time. These are priced at 100 rupees. The regular critter sheet pricing. 100 rupees for the set of 2 A4 size sheets. Okay. And all the critter sheets are live on the website now. Go place your orders. Then comes the second part of the sheets, which is the premium range. The premium range is with the flowers. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. I am telling you the detailing on these flowers. This is the berry fillers. Can you see this? These are only for the fillers and leaves which I have created. This is the most versatile sheet. I am telling you again and again. It will be so useful. I have fussy cut them. I'll show you what I have done. I don't have any ready projects as of now, because fussy cutting took quite a lot of time of mine. So I have fussy cut them. Look at this. If you can see. It is so beautiful. Look at the leaves. Is it visible? Clear enough? These fillers will really enhance all your projects. These are very beautiful. And the leaves will go with everything, whatever you create. These are really superb. And this. See how pretty is this? I love these berries. You will really enjoy working with these. You will see my inspirations very soon. I will be working on them. Actually, I did not get the time because I was busy preparing these sheets for you. As I am the only person working in the store for the designing part. I design my own dies. I design the sheets for you guys. And to procure everything, to arrange everything, this is all done by me. So everything takes time. And fussy cutting takes a lot of time also. And I have been going crazy fussy cutting everything these past days. I have been teasing you guys a lot, and I have been scolded by some of you a little that why are you teasing us so much? Now share. So this is one thing. Okay. This is for the fillers part. This is one of my favorite sheets again. This is Grey Magnolias. The color of this sheet is so pretty. If you can see, I have fussy cut these as well. I will show you on the mat. See, this is the complete flower. I have given it in layering. If you can see, this is full flower with all the leaves. This is the flower with only 3 leaves, which will go exactly on top of it. If you want to give layering in the in your project, on this part, the 3 leaf flower will, just a moment. Yeah, this is the flower, and then this is the flower. It will, you know, it will be perfectly fitting over this. So there is no wastage of leaves also. Everything is fitting on top of each other. You can see this. And then there is only the flower which will again fit on top of this. So if you want to make layering, create layering in this, it is the perfect sheet. You do not need to, you know, think about it or anything. It is all ready made. I have done the thought process for you. So 3 layers are ready. If you want to give more layers, then you have to add your thought process. But otherwise, it is a complete sheet. It's a beautiful, beautiful flower. And fussy cutting is very easy of this flower because this is a big flower. It's beautiful. Okay. So this is second one. Now comes the third sheet, which is again my favorite. It is the pinks and mauves. I have named it. Pinks and mauves are my favorite color combination, and these are the leaves with this. Toll. What is toll, Sneha? I couldn't get you. Thanks, Vinita. 3D flowers are really in right now, so I thought why not. So this is another sheet which is my very favorite, pinks and mauves. These also I have fussy cut. I have shared the pictures also with you guys. And the leaves I have included, as you all know, I love foliage and leaves. So I have included as much as I could in one sheet. Because the flowers we need, if we need one flower, we need at least 3 leaves with that. I have fussy cut these also. There are lots of these. Look at this. Berries. Look at this. Hi Brinda. So this is all done here with the pinks and mauves. I hope you like the sheet. Okay. The third is, the fourth one is pastel flowers. I am in love with the shades of these flowers. These are, I don't know, I think they are hydrangeas. What do you think? Are these hydrangeas? Because they are 4 petals. I think they are hydrangeas, and I believe that they will look really nice if we emboss them a little. What do you say? If we actually turn them into a flower by fussy cutting them. And these are the leaves I have added with this. It's a very beautiful, I have a very good idea about this. I will work on this very soon and share the detail with you then. Thank you, Bindya. Okay. The other part of this flower, which really coordinates very well with these flowers, are the star flowers. These are again my favorites. These comes with the leaves as well. And this is also a very versatile flower. You will really love I have very good ideas about this also. I will share the projects maybe later. I have a dies release lined up for next month. So I was just thinking to, merge both the releases and give you an inspiration then. In the meanwhile, I really want to see your inspirations. I want you to use my sheets in your projects and share it with me. So these are the 2 sheets which really coordinate very well with each other. Now is the Peony Paradise. Peony Paradise is again, it's a beautiful flower. Look at the details in the flower. Look at the shading and everything. It's very, very beautiful. These are the buds provided with the flowers and the leaves. All the leaves. I don't know, maybe more than 100 leaves I think. They should be. because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. This is 25 leaves. So 100% they are more than 100. So this is the Peony Paradise. Okay, and last but not the least about the sheets, this is my favorite. It is I have come up with 2 designs in the same pattern. Like, these are the flowers, only flowers. This is Rose Paradise. Please come up with more sheets of flowers and leaves which we can color. Bindya, check my website. There are more than 20 designs right now. They are beautiful. I think I will make a file and share it on the page. I will make a album, ready to color sheets. Write ready to color in search bar, and you will find a lot of material there, definitely. Okay, this is the sheet. These are all the flowers here, and these are all the leaves. And I have come up with the coordinating sheet with this, which is the flower bouquet, and the flowers on this sheet will coordinate with this sheet. So you know, you can mix and match, or you can create 3D elements or anything. These are very versatile sheets, and they're very, very beautiful flowers. They look so pretty. I'll just share it with you. I have a few samples ready, and I have my envelope which was from the previous project. See how pretty these are. Just add this thing, and it looks so pretty. Nothing much is required about with this. It's very beautiful print. I am in love with this print. So I hope I'm clear to you all regarding this, and I hope you really like the sheets as much as I do. I have really worked a lot to create these, and in my sheets I really believe that I should give ample. Mostly people, what they do, they create a sheet but not many elements are added. They leave a lot of white space. I understand that you guys are paying a lot of money and it is hard earned money, so I really want to give you the maximum. So please be careful while separating the flowers, because I give very less white space. What do I show once again, Brinda? I can't read your last comment. What did you miss? You can rewatch the video, darling. Okay, so this is done with the sheets. Now is another thing which we are launching this time, as many of you had requested us earlier, and that is papers. I'll just keep aside, make some room. Mirror cardstock and foil paper. What happened? Just give me a moment, guys. My connection got interrupted. Am I visible to you all? Okay. So this is the golden mirror cardstock, but it is not the regular cardstock. It is matte finish. This is matte finish golden cardstock. 250. These are all on the website, and till 31st January these papers are on discount. This is for 200 rupees, the matte one, which is a very good quality paper, and it is for 175 right now till 31st January, and then the prices will change automatically. This is the regular gold cardstock, A4 size sheets, mirror glossy finish mirror gold cardstock, and this is for 150 rupees right now. It is the MRP is 175, but 10 sheets 150 right now. It is the launch offer on the cardstock. Then this is the silver mirror finish glossy cardstock. This is also 175 MRP, but right now it is for 150 rupees on the website till 31st January. And This is what many of you had requested me to call for the toned paper. Toned paper is something similar to iris paper, but it is a little different because it has a coating and it has a if you can see, I don't know, the light will catch it. It has a light sheen, what do you call that? माइका फ्लेक्स जैसे होता है ना, उस तरह का कुछ इसमें वो आता है, शाइन सा आता है. And nothing stays on the मतलब nothing. It is a porous paper. Nothing goes in, and it does not absorb any ink or anything. And blending is fabulous on this paper. All the techniques of distressing, blending, everything is very good. It is better quality than iris for sure. This I think 270 or 300 GSM, somewhere in between. So I have written 270 only to be on the safer side. But I think it is heavier than that. And it is a lovely, lovely paper. This is priced at 225 in the store right now. Okay. Then comes my favorite 4 cardstocks. Pearl papers. This is sea green metallic shimmer. If you can see the shine. It's very beautiful and it is very high quality paper. It is not the regular metal paper which is available in the market. It is imported and it is superb quality. Very smooth. Look at this. Very, very nice quality paper. It's sea green color. I have 4 colors for now. If you like this paper and it sells out good, then I might add a few more colors. There are many shades available. And these are imported papers. This is a sea green color. This is metallic pearl peach cardstock, peach color. This is metallic pearl baby blue. And this is my favorite. This is pink pearl shimmer cardstock. It does not have that metallic shine, but I really love the sheen on this paper. It had a pearl finish to it and the color and shade was beautiful. It's very, very pretty. I don't know, the light is not very good right now, some issue with the light, but the color is very beautiful. It is a very bright and vibrant pink color. It is but pastel at the same time. It is not Jatac pink, something like that. It is a very beautiful baby pink color. And the quality of these, all the cardstocks are lignin free, acid free, approximately 250 GSM. Beautiful cardstocks. Very, very beautiful. And you will enjoy working with them. My next projects will be using these pearl cardstocks. Metallic pearls. These 3 have a very high metallic shine. This has a very subtle pearl shine, not the metallic shine. It is very beautiful. It is not visible on the camera. I don't think the camera is able to capture it, but it is really very beautiful. So this is all the release for today. This is the silver mirror paper glossy, golden mirror paper glossy. Then this is my favorite golden matte paper, which is a very beautiful subtle golden color. It is not the dark golden. Then this is Rose Paradise sheet, and this is the Rose Paradise bouquets. So both the sheets have bouquets in this. These are 2 coordinating sheets. Tell me something, if you like the idea of coordinating sheets, I can do it with the Peony Paradise also. Peony Paradise bouquets can also be done, which is very beautiful, I believe. I really liked it. Then these 2 coordinate with each other. These can be used together. These are very beautiful flowers, both of them, and the leaves are coordinating as well. So star flower and the pastel flowers. Okay, then there is pinks and mauves. This is my favorite. This is very, very favorite of mine. I love this. Yes, please. Okay, Sushma, I'll try and get that also. And again, this is magnolia, grey magnolia, beautiful sheet. And my most favorite of the entire lot, which will, I don't know if you can understand this, because this will really be very helpful for me for fillers and everything. This is a very beautiful, the berries are white berries, they're very elegant, very beautiful. And then all the 9 butterflies. So in all we have 17 critter sheets for today, 3 A4 size paper packs and 5 12 by 12 paper packs. The pearl papers are in 12 by 12 size. The golden mirror sheets and silver mirror sheets, they are A4 size, and these are very beautiful shades. I would love to make envelopes out of these. Very beautiful. Acha, one more thing I want to ask you. Would you all be interested in taking matte papers? I have seen matte cardstock in beautiful colors like beige and pink and lemon and baby blue and baby green, all these colors, and they will be priced somewhere around 150 rupees for 10 sheets, A4 size, 12 by 12 size. Just comment below if you are interested in that. I will see the response for these if you like that now, because, and very nice quality. They are not those pastel papers what are available in the market. The papers I am talking about are imported papers which are coated with matte finish. Beautiful papers. If you are interested, let me know. I might share samples with you once I get them from my seller. Sandra, do you assorted pastel shades? No, I am not selling assorted pastel shades, because there were 4 papers, and if I had to make an assortment, it would have been for 10 papers, right? Yes, the assortment. You want assortment? मैं सारे पैक कर चुकी, बहुत मेहनत लगेगी. 8 पेपर होंगे फिर सेम प्राइस में. You want me to do that? 8 papers will be there. Because I have to open the packaging and I have to repackage them. I'm very frank in this way, because I can do an assortment if you request me. There'll be 8 paper. If you want, Thank you, Sangmitra. Matte paper sample. हाँ, matte paper का sample दिखाऊंगी सुमेधा very soon. अब anyone has any questions? What do you think about the pricing of the papers? I have tried to be very reasonable with them, because they are very high quality papers and they were expensive for me to procure also. They were not the regular cardstock which is available in the market. The pearl one and everything. Okay, all of you give me some hearts now. If you like the release, please share some love. Let me know. What did you write, Pritu? Make a packing of 12. So 12 will be expensive. Yeah, I can do that. 3 4 are 12, 3 sheets per pack. Thank you, Sushma. Okay, Pritu, 12 sheets का packing बनाते हैं, and इसको I will create another this thing in the website listing for a packing of 12. Thank you. Pritu, by the way, this is inspired by you. After your projects, everyone was asking me for the pearl papers. It is all because of you. Okay, so let's wrap up the video now. I just hope everyone is now I am waiting for your orders to pour in. Give me a very good response so that I have the courage to come up with more new stuff. Combo offer. Yeah, okay, fine. On the critter sheets, I will be giving you a combo offer. I will just create some coupons and upload them. And I will make a banner and upload them on Facebook. Wait for 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. I will do that for you. For the critter sheets, if you buy 20 or 30, I will make a combo offer for you. Love you, Pritu. Okay, so all you want me to make a listing for combo of all the 17 sheets also? I can do that. In fact, I will do that right now. The whole release combo, I will make a combo offer for you right now. Give me 10 minutes. Do not place your orders till 10 minutes now. Okay? I will not be uploading any picture because I don't have any picture for the combo. I will just upload 2-3 random pictures for that. Chalo. Okay, then I'll just end the video. I don't think you guys have any questions. Bye. Have a nice Sunday. Enjoy your day. And pour in lots of orders after 10 minutes. Hi Sarika, you are very late. I'm going now. You can watch the video after I finish. Bye.